guys, and now we will do yoga's position, stretching and feeling your body. So if you want good splits, good stretch, you must stay with me now and watching this video for finished. Okay, let's try. What we will do, we will take two legs together, take right hand on ourselves, taking this side and open, close, 2, close, 3, close, 4 and 5. When we will do 5, our back leg going more on ourselves, and we take push and more sit and more stretch this side. So 2, 3, 4 and 5. Fix it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From this position, take our leg and start to do 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and fix it with strong back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And from this position, I will get a little bit more. Slowly go on my back and pushing my left leg on myself. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly stand up, take two legs together, take breathe, slowly breathe out and slide down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So guys, thank you so much for your watch. I will hope that you support my channel, take likes, write me comments, and thank you so much if you see this video for final. So bye bye.